Everox Industrial Company Limited has accumulated 20 years of technical experience in designing and developing machine tools. In accordance with the demand of the market, we began producing a BTA deep ELA type hole drilling machine. The main feature of this machine is workpiece rotation and a fixed cutting tool during drilling. Its drilling capacity for workpieces is 30 to 200 millimeters in diameter at a depth of up to 6,000 millimeters. The ELA type BTA workpiece rotation deep hole drilling machine is highly efficient with stable quality materials, parts and accessories to ensure its capacity reaches the highest efficiency. The machine body is equipped with square main slide guideway with width up to 580 millimeters through high efficiency treatment and precise grinding. The slide guideway is covered with a wear-resistant sheet of Tersite B to improve and extend its precision and life. Feed axis of the machine is made of 80 millimeter ball screws driven by a Fanuc servo motor, and the center is equipped with a 1 to 10 reducer to increase its feed torsion. It is self-designed and developed using a Module 6 main drive to guard the toughness of the rotating spindle during operation. The spindle head with sizes of 30 to 120 millimeters and a 100 to 200 millimeter scraping plate type of chip conveyor can completely deliver chips of various sizes to chip collector. The operation panel is carefully designed for simple operation. It can monitor spindle rotation, spindle load, rotation of cutting oil motor to enable the operation with full control of the operation at all time. There are several types of workpieces steady rest to meet the sizes and specifications of the workpieces, namely 3-point steady rest, 2-point steady rest, and heavy-duty roller type of steady rest. This machine is suitable for deep hole drilling of various kinds of products and different types of accessories. Please contact the sales department of Everox Industrial Company Limited for further information. Everox Industrial Company Limited will be glad to supply you with the necessary information for your reference.
Ask him if it's normal for the